Okay, one thing that's really important for this school year, since we're meeting virtually, is you must have an email account. That's how you're going to be able to communicate with me. You can email through Canvas, but I would prefer you to email directly to my FUSD account. It's really easy to make an email account. I would go to gmail.com because then you have access to Google Suite. So you can have access to slides, so you can make presentations, Google Keep, which is a place for you to store stuff, Google Drive, you can store stuff, um, Google Docs, which we'll be using in class. So I would just recommend having those things. As you can see, there's some accounts already on here. So if someone in your household already has an account, this will pop up. You can see that they're all signed out. If you want to add an account, you say use another account, and you can see my passwords come up. This also might come up if no one has done it. You click create account, and you can either do it for yourself or for a business. And who knows, you guys might be starting businesses this year. Why not? You click create account. You put your name in. So I'm going to do a fake name, one of my favorite literary characters, Fitzwilliam Darcy. I know that's a weird name, but if you know me, you know I like Pride and Prejudice. So I'm going to have my um, Gmail name, or whether you use Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo, AOL, you want your email address to be as professional as possible. So you don't want it to be something silly like I eat cotton candy for breakfast at gmail.com, or dogs rule, but dogs with a Z and rule spelled ROOL. You want it to look intelligent. So I would recommend making an email account that's basically your name. So you can do Darcy period Fitzwilliam or Fitzwilliam Darcy. I'm going to do Fitzwilliam period Darcy at gmail.com. And then you can create your own password. Safari can create its own password, or you can create your own something that you can remember and write down. Then you'll click next and it'll get you all started. I'm not going to create this account in case there's a real Fitzwilliam Darcy out there who wants this email. If your name is already taken, like I'm sure there's a John Smith, that might come up as flagged, and so they'll give you suggestions like John Smith 1 or John Smith 86004. So you can always put your favorite number in there or something like that, or your middle initial. So that's how you start an email address, and I expect you all to have them.